You know what's absolutely mind-blowing? This yellow chick doing rescue stories has managed to rack up million subscribers in less than 4 months. Yeah, you heard that right. 4 months. You probably think that's gotta be some kind of fluke, right? Wrong. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how they did it, and more importantly, how you can replicate their success using mostly free AI tools. Stick around because we'll turn you into a YouTube Shorts machine. The channel that's breaking the internet. Alright, let's discuss numbers because holy moly, this channel launched in February 2025 and by the time I'm recording this, they're sitting pretty with over 2.83 million subscribers. That's not a typo, folks. And get this, they've only posted 19 videos. Do the math on that subscriber to video ratio and you'll see why everyone's losing their minds over this channel. Most of these videos, they're hitting tens of millions of views each. We're talking about the kind of viral success that makes other creators weep into their ring lights. But here's the kicker. It's all AI generated content. Emotional? Absolutely. Complex? Not even close. And that's exactly why it works. Step 1. Crafting your story goldmine. Here's where the magic starts. We're using ChatGPT to become our personal story factory. First things first, you need the right prompts. I've put together a Google Doc with all the templates you'll need. You can find it in the description, totally free. No catch, no strings attached, just grab it and let's get rolling. Once you've got those prompts, head over to ChatGPT and paste them in. Boom! You'll get 3 fresh story ideas. Want more? Just ask for 5, 10, whatever you need. The AI's got your back. Now you've picked your story. Let's say story number 3 for this example. But right now, you've just got general ideas for all 14 scenes. For detailed prompts, you're gonna ask ChatGPT to break it down scene by scene. Type something like, give me detailed image and animation prompts for the first 4 scenes from story 3. What you'll get back is pure gold. Detailed descriptions for every single scene, plus animation directions that'll make your videos pop. And the best part, it takes about 2 minutes. Step 2, bringing your characters to life. Time to turn those story ideas into actual images. There are 2 routes here. One if you've got a few bucks to spend and one completely free. If you're already using Midjourney, you're in luck. This is the smoothest option out there. Just paste your scene prompt into the prompt box, then change the aspect ratio to 9:16 using the settings option on the right. Hit enter and within seconds you've got your first scene. You know what I discovered about character consistency with Midjourney? You need to use the same seed number for every generation. If your first scene looks perfect, grab that seed number and use it for all your other scenes. Sometimes you might get a wonky result, but just regenerate or tweak the prompt. Make sure you keep using that same seed number to maintain consistency. For my budget-conscious creators out there, let me introduce you to your new best friend, PicLumen. Click Create on the left side and set your size to 9:16. Just like with Midjourney, you'll want to click Advanced Settings and fix the seed with any random number. This little trick helps maintain style consistency across all your scenes. Paste your prompt, hit generate, and not bad at all. The results are genuinely impressive for a free tool. I've found that consistency comes down to how you write your prompts. Always use yellow chick instead of just chick. Keep clothing colors consistent and be patient. If you don't like the result, tweak and try again. Sometimes the best results come from the 3rd or 4th attempt. Step 3, the animation magic. Now that you've got your images, it's time to breathe life into them. I've got a tool that'll knock your socks off. Kling AI is my go-to for image to video conversion, and once you see the results, you'll understand why. Free users do get credits each month, but fair warning, the wait times are absolutely insane. If you have money to spare, go with a paid plan. It's worth every penny. But if you're sticking with the free route, here's how to make it work. Multiple email addresses for extra credits, and here's my insider tip. Kling seems to run fastest around 5 p.m. LA time. I don't know why, but I've tested this multiple times, and that's when you'll get the quickest renders. The process is beautiful in its simplicity. Click Video, upload your image, copy that animation prompt from ChatGPT, and paste it in. But here's where you can really make it shine. Add camera movements. Terms like the camera follows the subject moving or zoom in can transform a basic animation into something cinematic. Click generate and in a few minutes you'll have your first video. The quality is consistently impressive, though like any AI, it's not perfect every time. If the result doesn't quite capture what you're going for, adjust your prompt and retry until it hits the mark. Step 4, putting it all together. Welcome to the final boss level, editing. This is where good videos become great videos and great videos become viral sensations. Before you open your editing software, do yourself a favor and gather your sound effects. We're talking water splashes, running sounds, animal noises, emotional gasps, whatever your story needs. Pixabay is fantastic for free sound effects, or if you're feeling fancy, use 11 Labs to generate custom AI sound effects. Just type running through water or baby crying and boom, custom audio. Then fire up CapCut. It's free, powerful, and perfect for this kind of content. Import all your video clips and sound effects, then drag everything onto the timeline. This is where you become the director. Steven Spielberg, eat your heart out. Start with the basics. Crop your videos, zoom in slightly to remove any watermarks, and adjust the speed as needed. Some scenes need to be slowed down for dramatic effect. Others should be sped up to maintain pacing. Here's where the real magic happens. Cutting and transitions. Don't just let scenes play out. Cut between them strategically. Build tension, create emotional moments, make your audience lean in. If a transition feels off, cut it. Your gut instinct is usually right. Trust it like you trust your morning coffee. Now add those sound effects. This step is crucial. Don't rush it. Layer in the ambient sounds, the action sounds, and the emotional beats. Sound design can make or break a viral video. No pressure. Finally, for background music. Well, you don't even need it for this type of video. The sound effects and emotional beats you've layered in are doing all the heavy lifting. Sometimes less is more. Do a final review, make any last-minute adjustments, and export. The secret sauce, what makes this work? Let me tell you why this format is crushing it right now. It hits every single trigger that makes content go viral. Emotional storytelling. Rescue stories tap into our deepest emotions. People can't help but feel something when they watch. Visual simplicity. The yellow chick is instantly recognizable, memorable, and easy to process even on small screens. Perfect pacing. Each scene is just long enough to convey the emotion without losing attention. Consistency. Same character, same art style, same emotional arc. Viewers know what to expect and keep coming back. This isn't just luck, it's psychological mastery disguised as simple content. The money talk, let's be real. Before we wrap up, let's address the elephant in the room. Can you actually make money with AI content? Short answer, absolutely. With 13 million views in 30 days and conservative RPM estimates, we're talking serious income potential. Even capturing a fraction of that success, say 1 to 2 million views monthly, could generate $2,000 to $4,000. Not bad for animated rescue stories, right? Right now, you're just another face in the crowd. But in 30 days, you could be the next viral sensation everyone's trying to copy. Some people research forever, but winners take action today. Want to try these amazing AI yourself? All links and resources are awaiting you in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.